today is about personality disorders. This is the sixth topic for the whole semester. And this is Donna Lea P. Buendia again. All right. So before we start with the different kinds of personality disorders, let us define what is personality first. All right. So there is a quotation here saying that personality is mask you believed in, by Dr. White. So actually, personality came from the word persona. Persona means mask. So this is how you express yourself, okay, in front of other people, all right? And this is how other people also perceive about you. Now, when you say personality, this is formed and exists in interaction between hereditary factors. So it means the character traits that you have inherited from your parents and your ancestors. And also there is also a large psychosocial contact. Hereditary factors seem to be basic to establish the type of personality because you can easily predict what has been inherited from your parents, okay, down to the offspring. And various influence in ontogenetical experience can also modify it. So it means that the environment has also something to do with how personality is being shaped up. Now, let us proceed with the different kinds of personality disorders. Okay, so actually, it is subdivided into three clusters. So, the first cluster is cluster A, odd and eccentric. So, under this, we have paranoid, schizoid, schizotypal. Cluster B, we have dramatic or erratic. So, under this, we have borderline, antisocial, narcissistic, and histrionic. And then in cluster C, we have anxious or fearful. And under this, we have dependent, avoidant, and obsessive compulsive personality disorder. Actually, in the DSM-4, we have four subtypes in cluster C. We have here passive aggressive personality disorder. But in DSM-5, it has been removed. Okay, so that's why I did not include it here. So we are going to discuss one by one as I move on to the different slides. Okay, so the first one under cluster A is paranoid personality disorder. So this is characterized by distrust of others and constant suspicion that people around you have sinister motives. So these people find it really hard to trust others. Okay, so they observe or notice different kinds of meanings into the behavior of other people. Let's say, for example, I saw the two of you whispering something in front of me. So I might think that you are actually talking about me or you are saying something bad about me. Okay? So they are quick to challenge the loyalties of friends and loved ones and often appear cold and distant to others. All right. So they think that other people will fool them. Okay? Even these people are their friends or their loved ones. So they're always suspicious. Okay? They usually shift blame to others and tend to carry long grudges. It's really hard for them to forgive, especially if other people hurt them. Okay? Especially if they are hurt emotionally or psychologically. So these are the people with paranoid personality disorder. Next to cluster A, we have schizoid personality disorder. So these people avoid relationships and do not show much emotion. Okay? They genuinely prefer to be alone and do not secretly wish for popularity. So for other words, these are the people who are called as loners. They are emotionally cold. They do not want any kind of interaction with other people. Okay? They just want to isolate themselves. They tend to seek jobs that require little social contact. Okay? So their social skills are often characterized as very weak and they do not show a need for attention or acceptance. So that is how people who have schizoid personality disorder behave. They just don't want to interact with other people. Okay? Next, we have schizotypal personality disorder, characterized by a need of social isolation, odd behavior, and thinking, and often, what's that? Okay, often unconventional beliefs such as being convinced of having extrasensory abilities. Some people believe that this is a milder form of schizophrenia. So actually, if the person has schizotypal personality disorder, they believe in different kinds of superstitious beliefs. Okay, such as, for example, astrology, how the movement of the planets and the stars affect their behavior. Okay, they always wear different kinds of charms and gems or lucky charms. Okay, because they believe in such things. They dress up in a different or weird manner. Okay, that's how they look like. Okay, so these are the people with schizotypal personality disorder.